Learn English conversation with Afan Oromo. English conversation practice. Do you feel sick? Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine. No, I feel fine.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
I'm feeling a little bit uncomfortable. I'm feeling a little bit uncomfortable.
Did you read my message? Did you read my message?
No, I'm sorry I was busy. No, I'm sorry I was busy.
How old is your father? How old is your father?
46 years old. 46 years old.
May I take a picture here? May I take a picture here?
You can do it. You can do it.
When will you come? When will you come?
About 6 p.m. About 6 p.m.
Why don't you go to work today? Why don't you go to work today?
We have a vacation today. We have a vacation today.
Did you go to China? Did you go to China?
No, I didn't go there. No, I didn't go there.
Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework?
I want to eat first before I do it. I want to eat first before I do it.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was very good. Yes, it was very good.
Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English?
Because I want to find a good job. Because I want to find a good job.
Which one do you prefer, milk or tea? Which one do you prefer, milk or tea?
I love milk. I love milk.
How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying?
1 week. 1 week.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at an office. I work at an office.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was fantastic. It was fantastic.
When are we going to meet up? When are we going to meet up?
I will be home next week. I will be home next week.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married.
Have you got any children? Have you got any children?
No, I don't have. No, I don't have.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I only speak English. I only speak English.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy. It's cloudy.
Is it going to rain today? Is it going to rain today?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
Does this taste good? Does this taste good?
No, it doesn't taste good. No, it doesn't taste good.
Do you have the time? Do you have the time?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Would you like to come with us? Would you like to come with us?
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, that would be good.
Can I ask a few personal questions? Can I ask a few personal questions?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Can I get your name, please? Can I get your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Ianto. Yeah, my name is Ianto.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
Yes, it's hard to believe, but it's true. Yes, it's hard to believe, but it's true.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure I double-checked everything. Yes, I'm sure I double-checked everything.
Are you sure you're okay? Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm sure, thank you for asking. Yes, I'm sure, thank you for asking.
What's the best way to study English? What's the best way to study English?
Practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice, practice.
What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate pasta. I ate pasta.
Would you rather be rich or famous? Would you rather be rich or famous?
Rich. Rich.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year. My favorite holiday is New Year.
How often do you drink coffee? How often do you drink coffee?
Once a day. Once a day.
What does your mother do? What does your mother do?
My mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, I am with you. Yes, I am with you.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to university. I'm going to university.
Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me?
No, I'm not angry with you. No, I'm not angry with you.
When will you come? When will you come?
I will come on Tuesday. I will come on Tuesday.
Will you come? Will you come?
No, I won't come. No, I won't come.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm reading novels. I'm reading novels.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm here for buying vegetables. I'm here for buying vegetables.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because I'm very happy. Because I'm very happy.
Where is your sister? Where is your sister?
She's watching TV. She's watching TV.
Do you usually eat lunch alone? Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not all the time. Not all the time.
May I ask you something? May I ask you something?
Yes, what's your question? Yes, what's your question?
Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in my own house. No, I live in my own house.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Yes, I don't have time now. Yes, I don't have time now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room.
I appreciate everything you do. I appreciate everything you do.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
I went to the post office. I went to the post office.
It's yours? It's yours?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.
Is it far? Is it far?
No, it's only a 10 minutes walk. No, it's only a 10 minutes walk.
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's bright and sunny. It's bright and sunny.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday.
Do you have time now? Do you have time now?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
What about your opinion? What about your opinion?
I generally agree with you. I generally agree with you.
What are these? What are these?
Those are books. Those are books.
Are you new here? Are you new here?
Yes, I don't know anyone. Yes, I don't know anyone.
Where did Abdi go? Where did Abdi go?
He went to the drugstore. He went to the drugstore.
When will you finish work? When will you finish work?
I will finish around 5 p.m. I will finish around 5 p.m.
Were you with anyone? Were you with anyone?
I was alone. I was alone.
Would you like to order? Would you like to order?
Yes now, please. Yes now, please.
Do you think you're healthy? Do you think you're healthy?
I eat vegetables each day and exercise regularly. I eat vegetables each day and exercise regularly.
What's your nationality? What's your nationality?
I'm Australian. I'm Australian.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I played with my friends. I played with my friends.
Do you need a doctor? Do you need a doctor?
Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so.
How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandfather?
My grandfather is 82 years old. My grandfather is 82 years old.
Excuse me, but may I open the window? Excuse me, but may I open the window?
Yes, it's hot today. Yes, it's hot today.
What should I wear? What should I wear?
The black one. The black one.
Have you eaten? Have you eaten?
No, but I'm not hungry. No, but I'm not hungry.
What time are you coming home? What time are you coming home?
Around 6 o'clock. Around 6 o'clock.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I only have one brother. I only have one brother.
How long did they live in England? How long did they live in England?
They were there for 5 years. They were there for 5 years.
Where were you last week? Where were you last week?
I was in RC. I was in RC.
How wide is this bridge? How wide is this bridge?
30 meters. 30 meters.
How long have you lived there? How long have you lived there?
I've lived for 2 years. I've lived for 2 years.
Do you enjoy watching sports? Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching football. Yes, I enjoy watching football.